AMSP Engineering Private Limited, Wagholi, Maharashtra. In this video, we are demonstrating accuracy of our machine. The machine, as you see, is in automatic mode. The amount has been preset to 10 liter. This machine we had installed in Dhule, and the calibration was done on site. The machine has both preset and free flow mode, and it demonstrates high accuracy in both the modes. Here we are dispensing 10 liters in the jar. And you can see we have exact 10 liters in the jar. Please contact us for more details on the machine. Thank you.